Today's class is about miscellaneous viruses. Under miscellaneous viruses, we have Papova viruses, parvoviruses, rubella virus, slow virus diseases, viral hemorrhagic fevers, coronavirus and SARS, Rioviridae and other viruses causing diarrhea. These are the topics we are going to discuss in today's class. First is about Papova viruses. As the word Papova virus, it describes three family members. The first letter PA is derived from papilloma viruses, PO is derived from polyoma viruses, VA is derived from simian vacuolating virus, that is SV40. This viruses comes under the family Papoviridae and comprises polyoma virus and papilloma viruses. Under polyoma virus, we have human polyoma viruses JC and BK, simian vacuolating virus. Under papilloma viruses, we have human and animal papilloma viruses. Features of Papova viruses: they are usually non-enveloped. Their structure is icosahedron with 72 capsomeres. They possess DNA as a genetic material. Next, we will see about polyoma viruses. Poly means many, oma means tumor. They are tumor causing viruses, usually 42 to 45 nanometer in size. There are different types of polyoma viruses. They are mouse polyoma virus, SV40, JC polyoma virus, BK polyoma virus, Merkel cell virus. Simian vacuolating virus, they produce malignant tumors when inoculated into the newborn mice or hamster and causes latent infection in laboratory mice. They are isolated from uninoculated rhesus and cynomolgus monkey kidney tissue cultures, and these viruses do not produce any cytopathic effects in the original culture. But when the fluid from such culture was inoculated into kidney cell cultures from other simian species, they produce cytopathic effects. This occurs in the cytoplasm and are called as cytoplasmic vacuolation. Live viral vaccines should be manufactured only in monkey kidney tissue cultures tested and found free from SV40 infection. This is the pic of simian vacuolating virus. JC virus. They remain as a latent infection. Its reactivation occurs if immune system is impaired. It causes progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy, which is a rare subacute demyelinating diseases of nervous system, and it occurs as a complication of advanced disseminated malignant condition such as Hodgkin disease or chronic lymphocytic leukemia. BK virus, it remains as a latent infection and its reactivation occurs if immune system is impaired. It causes renal disease following transplantation. Coming to the lab diagnosis of polyoma viruses. It includes electron microscopy, virus isolation, viral antigen detection, viral nucleic acid detection, cytopathology. Electron microscopy will be done for the identification of the virus in the section of brain tissues and also from the urine of a renal transplant case. Viral isolation is by human fetal glial cell culture for JC virus and human diploid fibroblast for BK virus. Viral antigen detection is done by immunofluorescence and ELISA method, and viral nucleic acid detection is by PCR. Cytopathology shows exfoliated urinary epithelial cells with enlarged deeply stained basophilic nuclei with single inclusion. Moving to the human papilloma virus. They are species specific. They infect squamous epithelium and mucous membrane and produce warts or papillomata These warts or papillomata grows only in organ cultures of humans. There are over 120 human papilloma virus types based on their genetic homology that infects humans, which includes type 16, 18, 31, 45, 51, 52, 56, 58, 59, 68, 73 and 82, and they are carcinogenic, sexually transmitted, and they leads to the development of cervical, vulvar, penile, anal, intraepithelial neoplasia. The types 16, 18, 31, 33, 35, 39, 45, 51, 52, 56, 58, 59, 68, 69, 82 are high risk oncogenic types, and the low risk oncogenic types of human papilloma virus are 6, 11, 40, 42, 43, 44, 54, 61, 72, 81. Two recombinant vaccines are available to prevent infection by some HBV types. They are Gardasil and Cervarix. Gardasil consists of antigens from human papilloma virus type 6, 11, 16 and 18. Cervarix consists of antigens from types 16 and 18. Next is about parvovirus. They are small 20 nanometer viruses. They possess single-stranded DNA as a genetic material. Parvovirus B19 is a medically important human parvovirus. It is present worldwide and infection is commonly occurred in childhood. This parvovirus, it comes under the family Parvoviridae, and there are three types of virus comes under this. They are dependoviruses, erythroviruses, bocaviruses. Erythroviruses is also called as Parvo B19 virus. This viruses, they replicate without helper virus and it causes diarrhea in humans. Coming to rubella. Rubella is otherwise called as German measles or third day measles, which is caused by rubella viruses. It comes under the family Togaviridae and the genus Rubivirus. The Latin word meaning is of rubella is little red. Coming to the properties, they are spherical, enveloped virus which possesses single-stranded DNA, RNA as a genetic material, which is 50 to 70 nanometer in diameter. It carries heme agglutinin papillomeres. This virus multiplies in the cytoplasm of the host cell. It agglutinates 1 day old chick and human erythrocytes at 4 degrees Celsius. Coming to the cultivation and host range, it grows in the primary cell cultures and continuous cell lines such as rabbit kidney, baby hamster kidney and Vero. Experimental infection can be produced in humans and monkeys. What is meant by blueberry muffin lesions? Before that, we should know about the pathogenesis. The infection is occurred by inhalation and the virus is transmitted by the respiratory route and it replicates in the nasopharynx and lymph nodes. In neonates, the clinical event occurs into two major groups. First one is postnatal rubella and second one is congenital rubella. Now we will see about what is meant by blueberry muffin lesion. So after an incubation period of 14 to 21 days, the primary symptoms of rubella infection is appearance of rash which seen on the face, which then spreads to the trunk and limbs and usually fades after 3 days. This skin manifestation is called as blueberry muffin lesion. Congenital rubella. Rubella infection in pregnant women during the first 3 months of pregnancy may result in the baby being born with birth defects or congenital rubella. Coming to the lab diagnosis, first virus isolation. The specimen collected or throat swab, urine and CSF. The virus may be isolated from cell lines of rabbit kidney, rabbit cornea and Vero cells, and they are detected by cytopathic effects by immunofluorescence and interference using ECO11 virus. Serology includes human agglutination inhibition test, and rubella IgM and IgG antibody detection is by ELISA. In newborn, rubella IgM antibody detection confirms congenital rubella. Coming to the rubella vaccination, this vaccine prevents congenital rubella syndrome. Live attenuated vaccine, which is derived from RA27-3 strain of virus, which is grown in human diploid cell culture. It is highly immunogenic and it provides long-term immunity, and it has some adverse effect which includes lymphadenopathy, arthalgia, transient skin rash. Rubella vaccination is also given in combination with measles and mumps components, that is MMR vaccine, that is measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Next, viral hemorrhagic fever. Hemorrhagic manifestation are sometimes seen in many viral fevers. That includes exthermatous fever such as smallpox, chickenpox, measles, mosquito-borne diseases such as yellow fever, dengue, chikungunya, tick-borne fever such as Cancer forest disease, OMSK hemorrhagic fever, Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever. Arenavirus includes Lassa fever, South American hemorrhagic fever. Filovirus includes Marburg virus, Ebola virus. Handan virus includes Belgrade virus and Seoul virus. Arenaviruses. They are a group of enveloped viruses with which possess RNA as a genetic material. Arena means sand. It causes chronic unapparent infection in rodents, and they cause rodent-borne hemorrhagic fever, which is zoonotic in nature, and it is localized to South America and Africa. It usually causes asymptomatic and sometimes erupt in sudden outbreaks, killing many. The natural parasite is mice. The infection is transmitted vertically and virtually in every tissue and organ of congenitally infected mice. The transmission to human is by excreta of rodents. Human infections are asymptomatic, but some may develop an influenza-like illness or meningitis or encephalomyelitis. Next, South American hemorrhagic fever. It includes two viruses, that is Junin and Machupo. Junin causes Argentinian fever and Machupo causes Bovilian fever. The mortality rate is 5 to 30%. Coming to the Lassa virus. This virus causes many outbreaks in West Africa. The source of infection is rodent excreta. Person to person transmission may occur by droplet infection with high mortality rate. Ribavirin has proved as useful for treatment. Coming to the lab diagnosis. Viral isolation is by inoculation into suckling mice, hamster and guinea pig. Antigen detection is by immunofluorescence. Serology is by IgM antibody detection. Coming to filoviruses. They are long thread-like viruses. They are long thread-like viruses. The size is 8 to 800 nanometer, and it is an enveloped viruses which possess single-stranded RNA as a genetic material. There are two viruses comes under this. They are Marburg and Ebola virus. Next, the animal natural reservoir is African rodents. Transmission to human is by aerosol, root, contact with blood, organs or tissue culture. Person to person transmission occurred by contact with body fluids, sexual route and use of contaminated syringes. It causes hemorrhagic fever, and primary cases causes 30% fatality rate, and secondary cases were not fatal. Coming to the lab diagnosis, electron microscopic identification is done in the blood and cytoplasm of the affected cells. Isolation of viruses by culturing in the laboratory with biosafety cabinets on culturing on Vero cells. Serological identification is by indirect immunofluorescence. Coronavirus. The word corona means crown. They are a group of spherical or pleomorphic medium-sized enveloped RNA virus that containing petal or club-shaped peplomers on the surface. It comes under the family Coronaviridae. There are two types of human coronavirus. They are 229E and OC43. They causes common cold in humans. Coming to the lab diagnosis, it is viral isolation is by a few human fetal tracheal organ culture, and antigen and antibody detection is by ELISA method. Coming to SARS, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome. In the year 2002, South China had an outbreak of unusual pneumonia cases, causing outbreaks in 30 countries and 800 deaths. Upon electron microscopy, cloning, sequencing and animal incubation, they found a coronavirus type called SARS. The transmission is by respiratory secretions, facial aerosols, and the incubation period is 10 days or less, and death occurs due to respiratory failures. Coming to the lab diagnosis, RT-PCR has been used for early diagnosis. Viral isolation is by culturing on Vero cell. Antibody detection is by ELISA. There is no specific treatment and no vaccine available. We'll see in detail about coronaviruses, low viruses and Reoviridae. Coming to the coronaviruses, it comes into the family Coronaviridae, and they are spherical enveloped RNA viruses. They carry petal or club shaped peplomers. They are distributed worldwide, causing infection in human and animals. They are classified into 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 are mammalian viruses, 3 is avian and 4 is SARS. Human coronavirus, it infects upper respiratory tract, causes common cold, severe rhinitis, and the incubation period is 2 to 5 days, and the symptom persists for a week, and it provides poor immunity, and reinfection is common even with same serotype. Coming to the diagnosis, isolation of virus is by nasopharyngeal washing, cultured in human fetal tracheal organ culture. Some strain grow on monolayer of diploid human embryonic fibroblast. Antigen demonstrate serology is by ELISA, both the antigen and antibody detection, and electron microscopy. Next, SARS. In November 2002, an outbreak of atypical pneumonia occurred in the southern Chinese city of Ganges, and in Feb 2003, Ganges resident in a Hong Kong hotel transmitted into other guests who spread it to Toronto, Hanoi, Singapore and elsewhere. Over 30 countries affected with 1,000 cases and 800 deaths. India got escaped in this pandemic. The transmission of SARS is by droplets, close contact, and the incubation period is less than 10 days. It starts with fever, cough, and develops pneumonia and other respiratory symptoms. The preventive measures is like exposure prevention and the therapy with ribavirin and intensive care, and the mortality rate is 10%. Coming to the lab diagnosis, specimen collected are nasopharyngeal swab or aspirate, throat swab, stool or and serum. RT-PCR is used for the early diagnosis. Virus culture is by vero cells and animal inoculation. Serology antibody detection is by ELISA or indirect immunofluorescence test. Next is about Reoviridae. The REO stands for Respiratory Enteric Orphan Virus. It was found in respiratory tract and gut but not associated with any diseases. It is a double-shelled icosahedral viruses which is 55 to 57 nanometer in diameter and possesses double-stranded RNA as a genetic material in 10 to 12 pieces. This Reoviridae comprises 3 genus. They are Reovirus, Orbivirus and Rotavirus. This Reovirus, it consists of 3 mammalian serotypes. They are 1, 2 and 3. They possess a common complement fixing antigen but a different neutralizing antigen. Heme agglutination is type specific and it does not cause human infection. Orbivirus, it is a double-shelled, outer layer is fuzzy and instinct. It has 32, inner layer has 32 ring-shaped capsomeres and it causes veterinary diseases in African such as of African horse sickness and blue tongue, and in human it causes colardo tick fever. Next is about rotavirus. The word rota means wheel. It is a double-walled virus with a characteristic appearance as little wheel with short spokes radiating from a wide hub to a clearly defined outer rim. It is a double-stranded segmented RNA virus. The complete virus has a smooth surface and the incomplete virus is smaller with a rough surface that has lost the outer shell and the empty particle without the RNA core, which is also seen. It is classified into antigenic groups. They are A to G, and group A strain causes majority of human infection, and it was subgrouped into 1 and 2 by ELISA and complement fixation test, and into serotypes 1, 2, 3 by agglutination test. Epidemiology, they usually seen in children less than 5 years, usually between 6 months to 2 years. And it accounts for 50% of children hospitalized for diarrhea, and it occurs throughout the year, predominance during winter. The outbreaks occurs in adults and older children in China. Coming to the pathogenesis, the route of transmission is fecal-oral route. Incubation period is 2 to 3 days. This virus multiplies in the epithelial cells of small intestine and excreted in stool. Clinical findings like vomiting, diarrhea, no fever. Stools are usually greenish, yellow or pale with no blood or mucus, and disease is self-limiting within 5 to 10 days, and it has low mortality rate. Coming to the lab diagnosis, demonstration of virus in the feces is by ELISA, latex agglutination test, and electron microscopy. Antibody detection is by ELISA and complement fixation test, and molecular test is by PCR. For the treatment, rehydration is sufficient, and Rotarix oral vaccine is given in 3 doses at 2, 4 and 6 months of age. The other viruses that causing diarrhea includes Norwalk virus, adenovirus, astrovirus, coronavirus. Norwalk virus, they are responsible for the epidemic of gastroenteritis in school children and teachers in Norwalk in 1972. They are associated with consumption of raw oyster and they are an important cause of diarrhea in adults and children. The family Calciviridae, it comes under the family Calciviridae, and it consists of small round RNA virus. It is widespread in many countries. This virus can be demonstrated in feces, and the antibody to virus can be demonstrated in immune electron microscope and radio immunoassay. Next is adenovirus. It is more oftenly seen in summer. Types 40 and 41 are responsible for diarrhea. Phases of several outbreaks in children show large number of adenovirus. Next is about astrovirus. They are a star-shaped virus which is 28 nanometer in diameter, which is responsible for few epidemics of diarrhea in children. Their similar viruses are identified in lamb and calf diarrhea. Coming to slow virus diseases. They are a group of infection in animals and human beings characterized by a very long incubation period and a slow but relentless course terminating fatally. It is proposed by Sigerson, a veterinary pathologist, in the year 1954. The incubation period is ranging from months to years, and the course of illness lasting for months or years with remission and exacerbation. Predilection for involvement of the central nervous system, absence of immune response or an immune response that not arrest the disease but may contribute to pathogenesis, a genetic predisposition, invariable fatal termination. Coming to the classification, they are classified into three groups. They are A, B and C. Group A consists of slow progressive infection of sheep, which is caused by lentiviruses. Group B comprises of prion disease of the central nervous system, scrapie, mink encephalopathy, Jacob disease causes acute spongiform viral encephalopathies. Group C consists of subacute sclerosing panencephalopathies and progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy. Thank you.